C for cat. Cat means बिल्ली. D for dog. Dog means कुत्ता. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F for fish. Fish means मछली. G for grapes. Grapes means अंगूर. H for house. House means घर. I for ice cream. Ice cream means मलाई वर. J for joker. Joker means joker. K for kite. Kite means पतंग. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for mango. Mango means आम. N for next. Next means घोंसला. O for उल्लू. उल्लू means उल्लू. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. S for ship. Ship means पंजहाज. T for tree. Tree means पेड़. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. B for boolean. Boolean means सारंगी. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for XMX. XMX means बड़ा दिन. Y for yak. Yak means सुरागाई. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. लाइक करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल आइकन घंटी भी दबा देना।